Hello, what's going on YouTube? Here with an unboxing. I have the Pioneer MVH-S21BT. It's a digital media receiver. It's going to go on the Blazer. Just basically a upgrade from the factory, and it's just going to be a digital media receiver. It's not a CD player or anything like that. Which, who listens to CDs now anyway? Let's see what's inside. As you can see here, it has a wide range of, sorry about that, media that it plays. MP3, WMA, FLAC files, stuff like that. Alright, let's see here. Got the wire harness with some screws here. Looks like mounting screws and stuff. Okay, put that aside. Looks like we got some paperwork here. You know, typical standard stuff. Put that aside. Here we go with the stereo. Boy, that's really in there. I'll move this box out of the way. And let's have a look at it. So, wow, it's real short. Of course, it's not a CD player, so it's very short. Let's pull that off. Not too bad. Get it in the light here. It does have auxiliary port in the front, as well as a USB. It's got a nice knob here, volume and everything. I believe it is a detachable face, which I really don't care. It's not like I'm ever going to take it off. Okay, let's look at the back. Very basic. I actually thought this was going to come with a microphone, but it doesn't. It doesn't even have a spot for a microphone. You just see your two left and right audio antenna and the wire harness plug. That's it. Wow. But I can't complain. $57, so you know, it'll work for now. Like I said, this is just a basic upgrade from the factory, so no big deal. I'll use this for about probably about a year or so, and then I'll move on to something else. Upgrade to, you know, something bigger, better. I have a 2002 Chevrolet Blazer, which has a DIN and a half radio, so I'd have to modify it to get a double DIN in there, which eventually I'll do that. But anyways, here it is, y'all, the MVH-S21BT from Pioneer.